So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you let's important updates about Happy Cat Coin. Its price prediction 2025 that in next year mega bull how much profit we can expect from this meme coin. Is this meme coin has potential we can see its market cap from just $37 million to maybe $5 to $7 billion in next year mega bull or not. Can this meme coin list on Binance exchange soon or not? This video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Friends, Happy Cash NAM $3.01 current price at pump almost 23% here. Last 30 days performance is awesome, 133% pump here. So this is good. Performance from this meme coin is awesome. $37.8 million market cap right now. So this is good, friends. $15.5 million trading volume. Another awesome thing about this meme coin because still there's no Binance listing. Already trading volume is awesome. 3.3 billion coin supply all in circulation. Another cat theme meme coin on Solana chain just like Popcat, and this Popcat is listed on Binance and Popcat is in $1 billion market cap right now. So it's also possible that we can see Happy Cat to repeat Sam as profits just like Popcat and Sam listing just like Binance in future. We almost 80% down the all-time high. They were 24 days ago and 229% up the all-time low. They were 1 month ago. So performance from this meme coin is good. I can see, friends, Bitget has listed KuCoin, BingX, Orbit, MEXC, Gate.io has listed, CoinX has listed, XT.com has listed, but highest trading volume on Bitget exchange, not on KuCoin, but on Bitget exchange. This is good, and these are other central exchanges where this meme coin listed. But friends, I can see still there's no Binance, there's no Crypto.com, Bybit, there's no Crypto.com, Bybit, Binance yet. Kraken has still no list this coin, so it's loads of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. So that's why this meme coin has right now only $37 million market cap. And in my previous videos I already show you its all further details here, so its website and all further details here. So friends, no doubt website is also looking good. 109,000 holders for this meme coin, so this is good, friends. Number of holders are amazing within just 1 month of its launching. 109,000 holders. Bitget exchange has highest of its supply. You can see Bitcoin exchange is the highest holder of Happy Cat coin. 3.5% supply is on Bitget exchange, and also 3.0% supply is on Gate.io exchange. MEXC has 2.8% supply. So top 10 wallet says less supply, so this is good. And you can see another MEXC wallet holding this coin. So no doubt token is looking good, and I think there's no any value issue because central exchanges has high amount than well. So this is good, friends. And now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is at $7.8 million and its trading volume is awesome, and another cat theme meme coin on Solana just like Popcat. So definitely it's possible then next year mega balloon after 8 to 10 months from now this meme coin can be in $1 billion, no doubt. And because this loads of central exchange listing are left here, friends, it's also possible that in future maybe we can see its listing on crypto.com, Bybit, and after that Kraken can list, and after that it's also possible that this meme coin can be listed on Binance because when this meme coin was launched in crypto market as a meme coin has massive hype. Okay, everyone was talking about this meme coin, and this meme coin was trending on CoinCo, CoinMarketCap, and all other cryptos media platforms. So this is awesome. And friends, another good thing about this meme coin is here you can see, friends, on CoinCo at 9,000 people added this coin into their favorite list. So this is amazing. 29,000 people added this coin into their portfolio, into their favorite list, into their favorite cryptocurrencies. So this is awesome. That's why this meme coin can again trending in CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and that's the reason. That's why this meme coin can attract new investor here, and we can see its Binance listing in coming few months, and after that in next year mega bullion this meme coin can be in $1 billion here. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? Are you holding or not? You can must comment down below.